Mr. Mukherjee,
Sir, Lord,
Mr. Mukherjee, your client is not serious. देखिए जाओ.
but,
Sorry.
he has done, Lord.
I report
Has it failed
confidence.
from
No,
your lordship,
no,
Lord? We
no,
have done
no,
it.
no. Hey, patla boita dao. Second appellate paper book. Who did it?
It was
Who
prepared
did
in the
it?
office of Mr. Bhaskar Mukherjee.
Huh?
तुम बनी थी, sir?
Are you joking? Are you serious to take it? And all photocopy of the judgment you have given over here. Is it second appeal? Take the appellate side rules. Take the appellate side rules. How it can be made? Either typed or by cycle style. You are not competent to handle a second appeal.
Type and sign. Oh, you judge.
See this? All stamp, all paper. Sorry.
Lord, let me just, Lord, have.
Sorry, Mr. Mukherjee.
Lord,
I gave you the time. Go through it, rectify.
Lord, I'll do one thing, Lord. Lord, it requires, Lord, a typewritten, Lord, or cyclostyle. Lord, it is
What is the
typewritten.
appellate
We'll do that.
What is the appellate side rules?
Lord, it is typewritten, Lord.
Why are you encouraging this kind of practice? All the photocopies with all stamps of the court and everything is there. And that is true, that is not eligible.
ওটা type করে লাগাতে।
Yes, justify. Justify?
No, madam. I just figured the compilation of all the papers.
No, that,
Forget about that. That is not second appeal.
I'm not talking
I'm
about that.
concerned about the second appeal paper book.
But I'll do
Are
one
you
thing. Lord.
serious? Do you know how to prepare a second appeal paper book? See, if your
But
senior
I've
says,
seen that. I've
if
seen.
your senior says, then I will take up the matter.
Lord, I've seen that.
Huh?
Lord, it should not be.
Huh?
Lord.
See this?
The photocopy.
See this? What is the appellate side rules regarding preparation of paper book of second appeal? What is this? There are handwritten correction.
Lord, I'll
every
do one
day.
thing. Lord, within kindly
Huh?
keeps it next week. Lord, I will
Huh?
come up with a not a proper, not a second appeal paper.
With original signature
But
of the judge.
Lord, kindly, I'll allow me to take that back. Photocopy मिले थे, তাই জন্য হবে।
What is this? And that too, when these photocopies are used, the signature should not come.
That should be masked.
Yes, that should be. And these people, what you are doing with this, do everything. Huh? Do everything in other jurisdiction. Don't do it in the civil side. It is already at a stake.
আমি করে দিচ্ছি।
You are fortunate enough. Mr. Shamaprasanna Rai Chaudhary is not there. He is here. You are fortunate enough. He will not scold you alone. He will bring everyone in the corridor. And then he started saying, look here, this is the memorandum of appeal, is a correction. It's over here. There is no countersign signature of this. Huh? And I repose confidence on you, Mr. Mukherjee.
Lord, I will take responsibility so that not this paper book of the second appeal, Lord, it conforms to the appellate side rules.
I cannot take it in on record. Take back everything of yours. Whenever you are ready.
But kindly keeps it next week, Lord. I'll come up with, Lord, the second appeal paper book properly.
Sorry. Hey, I should not keep it on record. That is what I am saying. I cannot take it on record.
My lord, my only problem is he's enjoying an interim order, and I am not responsible for this.
You are not responsible for this.
No, they are preparing the paper books. I have not done anything.
The paper books, Lord, we have prepared, but it is a photocopy appendix.
That's why
Mr. Mukherjee, you know that order? Respondent will prepare the paper book.
And then, Lord, it is in default dismissed.
In default,
Appeal is dismissed.
Who did
it?
I am suffering the other way around.
But I'll do one thing, Lord, kindly pose the matter.
First of all, make them understand what is actually the second appeal paper book.
Lord, I will.
What is the second appeal paper book?
Kindly keeps it next week.
No,
Lord, we'll come
mention
back
it, mention it, and this time I will release the part.
Achha,
No,
may-
Lord,
If it is
kindly
not
do
in
do
order.
that. Kindly do not
If
do
it,
that.
you are taking the test of the patience.
But other part of the, Lord, the informal paper
I
books are
don't
in
know.
order.
I
All
don't know. That is no way around. I'm interested to see. Those are not paper books. That should have been before the lower court record. But you, for the convenience of the court, you have made a compilation. That I require at the time of hearing. What I told you, both of you, to go through it. That may be.
That is okay.
That may be okay. But this is not, this is the second appeal paper book which will be on record formally.
আমি করে দিই, আমি
I don't know who will prepare it.
But give
But
us a
he
chance
will
here to
prepare it by
prepare
himself.
properly.
You will prepare it by yourself. যা চলো পরেরটা রাখো।
suffer করবো আমি।
It will come back next week.
ফেরত দেবে নাকি, তুমি গায়ে মাখবে নাকি ওটা নিয়ে?
Photocopy লাগিয়ে দিয়েছে typewritten.
Including that one, ওই this is second appeal paper book যেটা দিয়েছে।
তাড়াতাড়ি চলো।
জলাঞ্জলি দেবে একদম।
পরে নিয়ে নিচ্ছি।
You're gonna threat, it will drop down.
Sitting
If
in
it goes to an advocate like your hand.
sitting in the education side, civil side is much better.
Much better, of course, much better. But if you want to pollute, at least I will not allow.
At least we are thankful that it comes from a judge, that the civil side is much better. Everybody should hear.
No,
Yes.
of course, much better.
Yes. Grateful.